Well, good afternoon again, YouTube. This is Veteran Mountain Man, and yesterday we discussed some things about Denmark and all the Be Like Denmark memes. Well, there's another European country out there that I decided I would discuss today, specifically on their tax rates, and this is one of the most successful countries in Europe. We're talking about the ever-stable, ever-loving, ever-patriotic Germany. Yes, that's right, the Germany of Angela Merkel. And so, we are going to start with the infamous European VAT tax, which of course we discussed yesterday. It is a sales tax on all goods and services throughout Europe. Now, certain countries have certain exclusions, exemptions, or even reductions for said taxes, and Germany has quite a complicated VAT tax structure. So let's start at the bottom. There is a 0% value-added tax for intra-community and international transport. So that means moving from one location to another, you pay no taxes, but only on the transport. Now there is a reduced VAT tax, which is 7%. And that covers foodstuffs, water supplies, medical equipment for disabled persons, some domestic passenger transport, intra-community and international passenger transport of certain road, rail, and inland waterway transports, books excluding e-books, newspapers, periodicals, admission to cultural events, writers and composers, some agricultural supplies, hotel accommodations, certain admissions to sporting events, social services, medical and dental care, firewood, some timber and industrial use stuffs, takeaway food, cut flowers and plants for decorative use, food production, and taxation of certain types of gold coins and jewelry. Anything that I didn't just read to you is taxed at 19%. Germany has one of the lowest sales taxes in Europe. That's right, lowest, at a national sales tax rate of 19%, except for the items I just read, which are taxed at 7%. Now, the state of Tennessee in the United States only collects taxation through sales tax. The state of Tennessee's sales tax is 9%. 9. So the entire state of Tennessee, which has a similar population and similar mass of land, survives on an entire sales tax rate of 9%, and Germany's is 19%. Think about it for a moment. Now, besides the VAT tax, which we discussed yesterday and we're going to continue discussing, they also have an income tax. And Germany's income tax rate is 45%. That is right, people. 45% for the national income tax rate. Now, that is not the highest, nor is it the lowest in Europe. Some countries, such as Georgia, have a 20% income tax, which is not bad for a federal income tax. Canada has a federal income tax of 29%. And of course, those of you all know that the United States has a unusual situation when it comes to income tax, but right now, the standard income tax rate is considered to be 39.6%. And that tax rate has been in effect since President Obama went into office. Why is that? Because he raised the federal income tax rate when he removed the Bush-era tax cuts. Well, that's about it for taxes today. I'm going to get together some additional stuff that I will be bringing to you tomorrow, specifically on the Federalist Papers. So, If you want to talk to me about all this, please follow the link down below to minds.com/veteran mountain man. I'll be happy to sit down and discuss it with you. I'll even discuss with you who the sources I'm quoting are, where they are, what they mean, etc., etc. If you'd like to see the sources for yourself, the links are going to be provided below, and I will include them in the description. Thank you very much, and y'all have a nice day.